Come on, hold my hand. I wanna contact the living. Not sure I understand this road I've been given. I sit and talk to God, and He just laughs at my plans.
Deputy Olive Oil, welcome, welcome. Howdy, howdy, I'm Volpe. Oh, sorry, wait, you already know me, sorry. Deputy, how are you doing today? Congratulations on being first. I just wanna feel real love, feel the home that I live in. I got too much love running through my veins, going to waste. How about you? I'm doing so well, oh my gosh. Interview yesterday, interview this morning, interview tomorrow. Oh my gosh, we are going. Yeah, vibes, honestly. Just about to hit up some Nancy Drew though. Arctic, how? Whoa, is that a Volpe I see? It's been a while, Arctic. How are you doing today? Hizoka interviewed this pants grab, am I right? Dude, what's that? That belly drop. Oh, that's why I keep on running before I've arrived. I can see myself coming. I just wanna feel real love, feel the home that I live in. Cause I got too much life running through my veins, going to waste. See yourself coming on God. Real love and a life ever after. Cannot get enough. But Hizoka, how are you doing today? Just figuring life out, Arctic. That is so base of you. Literally right here as well. I'm so glad that we're figuring life out. My goodness. Oh my god, my tea is so good. I just wanna feel real life, feel the home that I live in. Oh, it's in an hour, I'm at the airport now, I'm on my way to kidnap you. Wait, where are you going for real though, Hizoka? Wait, going to waste. Oh yeah, SC, I remember you talking about it. In the life ever after. Wait, what are you doing in SC? That feels like American military moment, but doesn't feel like it for you. What's my closed caption called? I am using the Google Cloud closed captions app extension for OBS. See the weekend concert and hang out with friends. That makes a lot of sense. Sure, I understand. Sure, I understand. Sure, I understand. Sure, I understand. Bon secours? Is that like French? French in the American area?
It's locked.
It's locked. It's locked. And here we go. I guess oh, given the throne, I'd know how to believe I was the queen that I meant to be. I lived two lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Called a problem child, 'cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. On Gino's stage, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far. Now I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Yeah, we're glowing. Gonna be going. Oh, up, up, up with our voice. Okay, that was off tune. That's fine. Hit that 100 on the chorus. So real, Hisoku. How are you doing, by the way, Hisoku? Oh my god. Are you excited for your flight? What airline you flying? Also, EMG, howdy, howdy, how are you doing today? All right. Without further ado, let's get into this. So long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I believe we're going up, 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 it's our moment. Oh, Nancy's speaking. Whoops. So stressful. Or if it's a long story, you want to discuss it right now? Gotta get to have fun. Hell yes, it's okay. If you want to chat about it, you got any spare time later on or when you get back, I'd love to chat. Yeah. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. We're gonna be golden. Gonna be born to be going. I love this song so much. Oh my gosh. We're born to be. All right. Nancy, where are we at? Sandstorm time? Let's go. Hey, oh, it's you.
John, are you okay?
Giganity, how are you doing today? Here, I need to shout out at Hisoku.
Don't move. Help is on the way.
Look at that peak player.
Nancy, what have I missed?
Something
A lot,
broke.
actually. The
Think couldn't hit the notes. Was
after the
kept
storm.
catching in my throat.
It's locked.
That's
It's locked.
suffocating though, but here with you I can finally breathe. You say you're no good, but you're good for me. How is camping? Digging out. Need more clips, I swear to God, but thanks. Always.
They kept talking about the
Why does it feel like every time I let you in? Why does it feel like I can tell you anything? All the secrets that keep me in chains. And I need to focus on Nancy, but it's fine. Make me dangerous. You got a dark side. Guess you're not the only one. What if we both tried fighting what we're running from? We can't fix it if we never face it. What if we find a way to escape it? We could be free, free. We can fix it if we never face it. Let the past be the past till it's weightless. So time goes by and I lose perspective. Yeah, hope only hurts, so I just forget it. But you're breaking through all the dark me when I thought that nobody could. And you're waking up all these parts of me that I thought were buried for good. Between imposter and this monster, I've been lost inside my head. Ain't no choice when all these voices keep on pointing me to the real head. Easy when I'm with you, no one sees me the way you do. I don't trust it, but I want to. I don't come back to why does it feel like every time I let you in? Why
What
does
are these
it feel
birds
like
doing here?
I can tell you anything. We can fix it if we never face it. What if we tried a way to escape it? We could be free, free. But yeah. Don't call me Vavy. I love it when you hate me, and I know it's crazy. I love it when you hate me. Oh my god. DMG is so real. Aside from bringing our stuff to and from an island and the rain and wind, it was mostly good. Oh, it was on an island, Dugane? Yes. Also, Shadi, welcome, welcome. How are you doing today? What if we heal what's broken free? Free. So, vibes for the Snake Seeker game, because of how janky the last one was, I had to like use my phone a lot. I want to make sure that my phone stays on charge for as much of this game as physically possible. But it's gonna be rough. Doing good, just dealing with an annoying cough. Oh, really, Shadi? Maybe you should just like cough more and your cough will go away. If you cough hard enough, you cough up your esophagus or whatever, like your trachea, and then you don't have a cough anymore because you literally don't have an airway for it to travel down. That we tried an island to let our dog run around free the whole time we were there. Oh, nice. Did your dog enjoy it? Mm.
See ya.
All right, let me figure out what this tomb is and who attacked you.
Great. I could use this to translate the hieroglyphs.
What hieroglyphs? How to read Egyptian hieroglyphs. This isn't correct, but it's fine. This is good enough. Perchance, but I think you'd have worse problems if that happened. What problems could you have other than not being able to breathe? Like, honestly, I think it's fine. Oh my god. There we go. Although we need our esophagus, but you don't need your trachea, obviously. Dear Mondi, you were so keen on my book about Marie Antoinette. Oh, Marie Antoinette. I knew you'd enjoy my latest work about these magnificent women. If you'd ever like to learn more, I do love to talk about them. Beatrice Hotchkiss, 212-555-3427. Oh, Hatshepsut was one of the most important female figures in ancient Egypt. She helped her husband, Thutmose II, to rule Egypt. On the death of Thutmose II and their heir Thutmose III, only 9 years old, Hatshepsut stepped in as regent and soon declared herself pharaoh of Egypt. Oh, I see the vibe of it. And Amenhotep, Queen Tayu. Yep, There's Nefertiti right there. I know about Nefertiti. Ramses II, I know about that. And there's Cleopatra and Mark Antony. Oh my god, and Caesar. Oh my gosh, that's so real. Perfect. Yeah. Can't eat, drink, talk either. I mean, is that a problem? Why can't I take the stick? I want the stick. Yeah, I won't be able to eat food without going anywhere but our stomach. Okay, but like, if you think about it, your stomach isn't that important. Wait, there's someone in here? Who's here?
Whoa, you cannot go back there. Hi, Nancy. Professor Boyle is gone, and I have to say this to keep things from getting awkward. But look, I'm assuming the authority in the time being.
Okay.
Sure everyone here agrees to that?
I just meant the American team.
Who are you?
Just you.
Who are you? I can take care of myself. I don't know. I don't know who this person
Sure
is.
you can, but can you take care of a site that's thousands of years old? I'll answer that for you. No, you cannot.
Is that
I
necessary?
probably can take care of it, honestly.
Someone in
If you
charge?
think about it, I'm actually thousands of years old because like I'm a vampire and I'm cool like that. Which means that like actually I'd win and
Trust me.
yeah.
I just don't want the site to
Fables,
fall
thank you for the 10 bits. Beautiful Fox Wolfie, Beautiful Fox Fable. Or Wolf Beautiful Fables. Oh my god, why did I say Fox? Fables, how are you doing? Also, oh my god. Nyx, how are you doing? Or Lunar, I guess. Phoenix. Howdy, how's it going? I'm looking for Professor Boyle's notes.
I'm looking for Professor Boyle's notes.
His notes are off limits.
He wants me to have them. Call him if you don't believe me.
I will. Trust me.
Okay. Did you see what happened to Professor Boyle?
Did you see what happened to Professor Boyle?
I couldn't see a
Grandparent
thing.
Volpe, actually,
For a second.
again, Hisoku, I have to keep repeating this, and I actually hate that I have to keep repeating this. That's Volpis to you, okay? We need a way to save on our milk bill. Oh my god. Wow. Carnations, milk, save on your milk bill. Oh my, wow. I love that. Just 50%, 1% milk, you know? Save on your milk bill with Carnation milk. By the way, guys, I'm having bourbon chicken right now. From when I went out to get my clothes earlier today for my interview tomorrow. And oh my god. This shit is fucking delicious. I need to put my chopsticks down, okay? Milk bill, bill milk. Yeah, milk bill. Yeah, milk, yes. Volpe milk, actually. Doing well. How's Volpe today? I am doing so well, Phoenix. How are you doing? Clothes? You know, Giganite, you can take these off if you want. Did you know Professor Boyle was attacked? At least that's what the doctors think.
Did you know Professor Boyle was attacked? At least that's what the doctors think.
Who told you that?
He did.
Don't worry. He's probably just all turned around from the injury. There's nothing to worry about here.
If it turns out we're getting the job, hopefully we'll see. From the number of interview slots that they gave me, it seems that they're only like at most interviewing like 4 people. So it should be pretty good. Hopefully. I mean, it's underemployment, of course, but like it's supervising at a funny, silly little place. The drugstore that I normally go to.
Cool. Can we play?
Yes. The goal is to get all of your pieces
Wait,
on
what?
the board first. When a token reaches the last square, it's removed from the board. To move, throw the sticks. The number of light sticks determines how many spaces you move. If all 4 sticks are dark, then you get to move 5 squares.
Okay. But yeah, is that the drugstore that I get most of my makeup from? So like, you know, think about the benefits I could have for there.
What does that mean?
You can move any of your tokens to either an empty square or a square occupied by your opponent. If you throw a 1, 4, or 5, move a token and then throw the sticks again. If no moves are available, the player skips their turn. I've rolled a 3, so I'll move my token 3 spaces.
What?
If you land on an opponent, you swap places, sending your opponent's token back to your token starting position. If an opponent has 2 or more tokens in adjacent squares, then they've created a block. You can't swap places with a token in a block, but you can move over it. There are 5 special squares on the board, each with their own name and design.
What?
The Ankh is a safe square, and the token
What?
on the square can't be swapped. All tokens must stop on the square with the bird, even if the throw would have moved them past it. They can move past it on their next turn. Landing on the square with the water sends that token back to the square.
You can drug else because you want, honestly. Literally, that's what I'm thinking. Like, think about it. Think about all the zinc I could have, you know? That's kind of gay, honestly, if you think about it, Fables, you know? Woof, woof. Bark, woof. Woof, bark, woof, 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 bark. Bum, ba, 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 whoa, yeah. Me. Hear me now. Takes us both.
I'm sending you back.
I'm sending you back. I'm sending you back. Oh. 3.
Can't do that.
1, 2, 3.
Can't do that.
Why can't I do that, huh? Savor it.
That's cold, Lily.
Just cold. Eleonora.
Bad news for you.
Can't do that. Can't do that. Ha!
Ha!
Can't do that.
Ha!
Bad news for you.
Bad news for you.
Can't do that. Can't do that. Look out. Can't do that.
Can't do that.
No fair.
No fair. Yep, that's me. No fair. No fair demon.
Can't do that.
Look at that massive block right here. So, whoa, we're just a bunch of fucking animals. Butterdum, 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 bum bum. Butterdum, butterdum, bum bum butterdum, bum bum butterdum. Just pull the pin. Can't do that. Can't do that. What can you do? I can be a hero, okay? Bro literally can't beat me here, okay?
That's cold, Lily.
That's cold, Lily. What an asshole.
Can't do that.
Can't do that.
Can't do that. Can't do that.
Can't do that. Can't do that.
Can't do that.
That we're living in. Just pull the pin. Finally, some Nancy Drew content. So true, Senpai. Senpai, how are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Can I get a shout out for Shenpai here?
Can't do that. Look out!
Can't do that.
Can't do that.
Can't do that. Can't do that. 2, I can do that. Oh my god, so true! Chenpai, can I... Can I be, like, impregnated in that game or something? When will Rambly the Raccoon impregnate me?
No fair.
Walk it off, Drew.
Lily, stop cheating. Lily, stop cheating.
Back to where you came from.
Why are they cheating?
You don't win because I win.
Asking for a friend, how do I delete clips? Yeah, that's crazy. Deleting clips, impossible. I'm the clip deleter here, okay? Literally me. Wait. There's 2 pairs of boots here. Am I not wearing boots right now? God. No one impregnated me in that game. Honestly, Shenpai, you probably, you know, deserve to be impregnated in that game, to be fair. To be fair. To be extremely honest with you, okay? I'm here to support you, okay? No, like, clips for my own channel? Oh, so what you do is you go to the channel, find the clip, there should be a ... next to it. And another ... there should be a delete clip here. Cheater, pumpkin eater? No, literally. Why can't I drink more water? Like, that's so rude. Why would they do that to me? That water was mine. I marked it, okay? It was mine. My own water. Just died of hydration. I actually hate myself for that. Ooh. I marked it? Yeah, I marked it.
I should try to piece the amulet back together.
What amulet? God. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. And let it out, hoping it would save me. Many times, too many times. My feels so like nobody else. Nobody else. But my life doesn't love me, so I tell myself. 1, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. You're under him, you ain't getting over him. Yeah, how did you mark it specifically? Piss, sir? Excuse me, Duke. Why would I piss on the water truck? Okay, that doesn't sound like me. Honestly, that sounds like you, to be fair, but I wouldn't say that because I'm not rude, okay? Mm-hmm. And your favorite thing to do with scammers? Oh, what? Wait, there's scammers? Where are the scammers? To myself, do I do? 1, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. If you're under him, you ain't getting over him. Mm-hmm. Oh, a scam call. Oh yeah, what do you say to him? What's your strat? I need to compare your strat to my strat to show that like I'm cool and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. Was I 1, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling. By the way, Shenpai, how was your time doing peak the other day? Because you were pissed, so that's why. Okay, well, I see a place that would fit. You see a piece that would fit? Oh yeah, this one looks extremely. This one right here looks very hot. Okay, trust me. Don't let him in. Don't be his friend. Don't be his friend. Oh, don't let him in. Don't let him in. Don't be his friend. Don't be his friend. You're getting over him. Bum 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 bum. Airplanes in the night sky are shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? We'll use a wish right now. Center, right, left, yet somehow missed it. Am I blind? Let me make sure I don't put my pieces near the bottom because that seems a bit dangerous. Risque, even. Take with M2 is pointed at it. That airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. We'll use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. Wow, you're actually crazy, Owl. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you know, I actually saw that. I was just testing you. I was quizzing you, okay? You passed the test, all right? Yep. I'm so proud of you for passing my test. And that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. You could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. You could pretend that airplanes in the night sky. What's your scam call technique? The news reporter is always a good angle. Most of the time they say I'm sorry and they leave you. Wait. When the G say, hi, Agent Allen on a recorded line for Fraud Division, how may I help you? That's crazy. That's pretty efficient, honestly. Wish now. You pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. Ba bum ba 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 bum bum. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. Remember the moment you left me alone and broke every promise you ever made. I was an ocean, lost in the open. Nothing could take the pain away. You could throw me to the wolves. Tomorrow I will come back, leader of the whole pack. Be me, black and blue. Every room will shape me, every scar will build my throne. Oh, whoa, whoa. Answers your business line? Not picking up the phone for anyone ever? Have you tried, like, picking up the phone instead, though? I feel like that would be pretty efficient, honestly. Throw me to the wolves. Tomorrow I will come back, leader of the whole pack. Be me, black and blue. Every room will shape me, every scar will build my throne. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa. No. To the wolves, tomorrow I will come back, leader of the whole pack. Be me, black and blue. Hello, yo. Bonjour, bonjour. You're like, also super important. You can text me. I'll see it in like 3 to 5 business days. That's so real of you. Me, I'm like a very. You message me, I'll probably be around, but like if I'm not, then like you're not hearing back from me for days, years even. Rebuild all that you've broken, and now you know. Leave you choking on every word you left unspoken. Soku, have a good time on your flight, by the way. Non, je ne fais pas ce message. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa. You can throw me to the wolves. Tomorrow I will come back, leader of the whole pack. Be me, black and blue. Every room will shape me, every scar will build my throne. What is this? Bum 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 bum. Oh. Good afternoon, Volante. How are you doing today? Try the big piece there. Mm. Mm. There we go. Bia, I've got it all wrong. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. It's probably something like this or some shit. Oh, you have to do it again. We're taking over. We're taking over. Yeah. So by now, we're taking over. Taking over. Yeah. Does that not go there? Hmm. Hmm. Like this? Like that? And then down here. Over. We're taking over. Yeah.
There's a piece missing. I wonder where the rest of the amulet pieces were found in the tomb.
Mm. Oh, it's a cat. Wait. Why is it like not a square puzzle? Oh, it's a cat. Oh, yeah. Bro. Doing good. Just got off my job and hang home. Fortunately, it's a 2.5 hour drive. Volante, why is your job 2.5 hours away? What? That seems excessive. Let me just like gather all the tools necessary here. At the right time. So the chase goes by. Ooh, that's a nice tie. Amulets found. Goldfly, Lapis Laboo. I almost said Lapis Labubu. Please, no. No, I was very lost as well. Don't worry, Al. Kitty, hi, Volante. In advance, howdy, how are you? How have you been doing, my dude? Oh my god, this tea is so good. Secure installation for a very big region of my state and the one below. Oh, gotcha. Good day today, though? Hmm. Hmm. Urban chicken just hits, bro. I'm a little surprised that the Lapis Labubu wasn't as efficient as it could have been. All artifacts storing with the tomb must be labeled with the corresponding grid site from the location where the artifacts were found. Oh, this is a puzzle. N13E2. So at the far depth on the right. Got it. Okay. What is going on? Okay. That person's dressed up as a mummy. Got it. I understand. I understand the aesthetic of this game. Ancient Egyptian art. Yep, I'll take that as well.
Dictionary could help translate that.
Oh yeah. Judged as he by the ancestors of Ra. Strange Phenomena Inspectors. Oh my god, Spide! I love Spide. It's Sunny June. Anunnaki. $32 tickets? That's so fucking expensive. This game was made in what, 2014? Like $32 is quite a bit for that. We passed on. Oh, merci. What's the Jade or whatever cat for? Who knows?
This looks like a map of the site.
Nancy's really cool like that. They're really base, and they know exactly how to go around and just do a whole bunch of random shit for no reason. Okay, well, I have a flashlight now. Perfect. Yeah, let's go into the site and do something. Let's go directly to where the cat thing was.
This is approximately where the other amulet pieces were found.
There we go. Yep, I'm cool like that.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. I am. Listen, I'm so British for this. Like, literally, look at me taking apart monuments and artifacts, bringing them back to the British Museum. This is literally me. Regards the Volp. Hello, Ajax. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Oh, who's that? Before I interact with that person, I'm just gonna go in here and just kind of. Not for far too long. I'm just gonna hold a bunch of ancient artifacts in my like hands and stuff, if that's reasonable. Just eating food at work right now? Oh my gosh, how's that been? A trowel? Okay. Nancy's just like going around and scavenging things throughout this tomb.
The red scarab is missing.
The red scarab is missing. Oh gosh, I need to find the red scarab. Your own medicine. Cause I'm sick to death of swallowing. Watch me take the wheel like you, not feel like you. Act like nothing's real like in Dota? Sure, Yep, Dota. I love Dota. Going bottom with you. I mean, in Dota. Yes. Wow, Ajax. Handlebar. Ajax and I both out here being extremely bottom coded. That's crazy. I don't know. But no, I'm still in training. I don't get a lot of money, but the one I had today is so far away, it cancels as we're doing the pitch. Really? Or is it can be held to? They're actually antlers. Yeah, I know. I'm just cool like that. Antler Max and a Whoopilled and you know, other words that mean the exact same thing. Who are you?
You are still here, darling.
Oh, you couldn't drag me away.
A distinguished Dr. Bottom.
I prefer Nancy.
Most bottom coded service top you'd ever meet? Oh my god, wow. Ajax. Are we the same? Holy fuck.
Afraid of a curse, if that's what you're getting at.
It is, but you still haven't.
Would be fun in Dota, of course. In Dota. Honestly, dude, I think like a lot of the stuff I'm If there is a curse and I'm ignoring it, then yes, I could say I'm pretty stupid.
If there really is a curse
But
and I'm ignoring it,
I'm out here thinking,
then I guess you could say
wow,
I'm
I haven't
stupid.
done
No stupid person has
anything
ever
like
said that.
ultra sexual
I've met many stupid
for,
As a group, they do not
oh
self-identify
gosh,
reliably. I see I must keep an eye on you.
about as long as I've been stuck inside. Which must be since like before AC last year, so. Dude. I need to fuck around and find out a bit more, you know? What's gonna happen now that there's been a major injury?
What's going to happen now?
Gosh, like nearly 24 hours?
Usually it means we are going to be shut down. So now,
Okay, Ajax, wow, okay. Been a while, just a bit. Much like how Foxes are just cast off her thought car where I'm a service stop with bottom coating. Oh my god, wow, Ajax, like... Boo-boo? Professor Boyle was supposedly injured by a lightning strike, but the medical report says he was struck in the head by a blunt instrument.
Professor Boyle was supposedly injured by
What
a
are you
lightning
implying?
strike, but the medical reports state that he was struck in the head with a blunt instrument.
I don't know.
no, that can't be.
That's what it said.
This is serious.
I know. Someone attacked him.
Do not be so hasty. We don't know what happened. But it's best you be careful anyway.
But yeah, I don't know, Brain just give boy do what told me to. Oh my god.
Do you have
Your
any
own,
evidence?
yeah, you know what I mean. I have enough.
I have enough. If I'm wrong and it's an accident, then no harm done. If
Mm.
I just assume it was an accident and let his attacker get away with it, who
Who knows
who'll
will get hurt next? Next time Nancy gets knocked out, she loses all these artifacts. Like a treat. Sorry. Think about Professor. What do you think about Professor Boyle?
What do you think about Professor Boyle?
I asked your Boyle, and I think Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
It's a good
I
thing.
love Detective Boyle.
Skulls.
Did you
Or
two
something.
get along?
Get along? I know him.
Be
I
my
respect
broken
him.
heart.
Were you okay with Professor
Song
Boyle
is so
working
loud.
the site with you?
I can be a treat. Wait, sorry. Hi.
When you are
Hey, Sabine, how are you doing today? Welcome.
never help.
How you been doing?
They only get in your way.
But Professor Boyle is one of the best archaeologists working today. He wouldn't be getting in your way.
One of the best.
I am the best. Number one treat. Well, literally me.
This
Yeah.
site is mine.
You know this person? You know this Sabine individual? That's crazy. Delicious. What are you working on? What's this guy's name? This guy was named Bakhim, right?
What are you working on?
This mural here. There is something very important hidden in this.
Is the
wall.
not LA person.
Coded in time.
Oh, yeah.
Shot?
True.
You want to try this
Wait, so
out?
Ajax, are you from LA?
Sure.
I need a few tips for reading the hieroglyphs.
A few tips? Yes, that's how I learned to read hieroglyphs. At first, they were inscrutable and mysterious.
Yeah.
But then,
Have a good lurk, deputy. Good luck with you deleting your clips and stuff. From LA, not LA. Oh my gosh. That's actually crazy, honestly. Like, as a GTA individual, it feels weird talking about people West Coast, you know? Have you made progress? Did you find anything to say whose tomb this is?
Progress? Did you find
Why is this song so fucking loud?
anything to say whose tomb
There we
this
go.
is?
I wish I could say we found the lost queen.
I've already found the Lost Queen. Don't you worry. It's already found, okay? By the end of tonight, you will know exactly where it
We
is.
do not crack this.
Ever played GTA San Andreas and thinking, damn, these buildings look hella familiar?
We have found.
Do you
Oh
have
my
any idea what
God.
that inscription means?
That sounds really, really cool, actually.
They are not supposed to be riddles, and I still grappled with them, sometimes for years. The actual riddles, forget it.
But when I say
I can see
GTA, I'm
it
talking
on this wall. I can
the
feel
greater
it.
Toronto area, you know? It'd just be that way. How do you know about Lily?
What do you know about Lily?
I've seen
Ajax,
like
if I could do a trip anywhere right now, like I would, okay? It's actually so lost. Like, think about how cool it would be for me just to do like a silly little like
That seems
Atlanta trip just to see some really cool beans or
On
something.
the back of Dramatic Live.
Yeah.
I do not think this is a good thing. Lily, she is like a spinning top.
Oh my god, Savine, I hope you and Kyra have a good time,
She
alright?
will go ping,
Hmm.
flying off in a crazy
I
direction.
take you to Disney.
Do not trust her.
Disney is like overrated, honestly, you know?
big.
I wanna like, I
Fully
wanna
trust
see,
would never be able to
I wanna
survive.
see the city, you know? That's the vibe I'm there for. These attractions, these like magical places that are like, okay, Star Wars Land, okay, that's fair. But things that are just like meant to be magical for the sake of being like magical and stuff, or like amazing experiences. It's just like, is it bad that I like seeing downtown of cities? Sure, there may be like a lot of people who are down on their luck, but there's a lot of like hustle bustle. You got to see people doing their lives, you know? Yeah. Do the same. Okay, bet. Take me to the French Quarter. No, I would love to go to the French Quarter. Actually, that sounds really cool. I still understand why you'd want Lily to work with you.
I still don't understand why you would want Lily to work with you.
Because, like, I know the cool places in Toronto. There's not very much cool stuff in Toronto, but I know the cool stuff in Toronto that's not, like, attractions. I know what's not... I know the places that aren't the CN Tower, that aren't the Rogers Center, that aren't, like, anything like Harbourfront, except maybe the park at the Harbourfront's kind of nice. I just really like Toronto. And it sucks not being able to afford to live around there because, like, if I was able to live there, like, that would be so cool. Live downtown Laguna? What's Laguna? Nikolai, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? How's the detective work? It's going really well, Nikolai. How are you? Yeah.
My dictionary could help translate that. Never enter where?
According to Thoretto, let it be found, describe this tablet as to anyone who does not know the spell, he shall never enter. Okay.
Can't check that off yet.
Can't check that off yet. I know the side. There we go. I still don't know what that cat is for, though. Heard by tour guides, start date to be determined. True. But it's an artist colony? Wait, an artist colony? Wait, what does that mean? Is it like where artists live and only artists live? Is Laguna where Laguna Beach is? Oh my god, this is the thing that's like the joke, like, oh, it's a light bulb, not the flower or whatever. Laguna Beach is? Oh, I know where that is! Oh my god, I know what Laguna is. Oh my gosh, wow. That's crazy. Told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. Can't find somebody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay here. I told you that I never would. I never should change, even when I knew I never could. Can't find somebody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay here. Oh, okay. It's oh, 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 oh. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right here. I do the same. That I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change. Even when I knew I never could. I told it I can. find somebody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay here. Need you to say that I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change. Even when I knew I never could. Know that I can find somebody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay here. Bum 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 ba bum bum ba bum bum ba bum bum ba bum bum. Need you to stay here. This puzzle's annoying. I'm curious, because like if I put this here, the blank clears it out. So I kind of need to start from the bottom. Which means I actually need to know a combination. Can I not go back there? Didn't it say that there's stuff back here? Yeah, I used to live there, now I live next to Disneyland. Oh my god. That sounds like a cool place, not gonna lie. I'm literally just like... I live Toronto, it's so fun! Oh my god. Yay. I love having friends who like live all over the place and like literally while they live all over the place, like they live nowhere near anyone else. And it's just like, wow, it's such a trip to get everyone organized, met up together.
Hi, Nancy.
Hi, what'd you think of
What
Abdullah?
do you think of Abdullah?
Say what you
Why
want,
cons
Howard
exist?
Caves.
No, literally. That's also why money exists, and you know, I'm so excited to do it. Hi, Nancy. Oh my god. Hi, Alex. How are you doing today? I've heard the opposite.
I've heard the opposite.
You did
I
not
thought he
do
was
that.
weird. He's a bit of a jerk.
Get fucked, honestly, Alex. Get ruined.
Think of archaeology, you think of him.
Yeah,
He's the best.
that's a pretty cool city.
Years of
Here, think
dedicated study.
the deer outnumber people.
I guess you have a point.
That's pretty real, honestly. The deer probably deserve to outnumber people. Deer are really cool,
He's a
okay?
hero of mine.
Alex, what do you think about the new the new automation? Stinky. Mm-hmm. Think about money, specifically me throwing at Volpe? Nah, Ajax is fine. I just need to get this job. I've got my interview for tomorrow. It's gonna be so good. If I can do that, then I can probably like, you know, recover. we'll land pretty hard, but you know, I miss my opportunities for soft landings, so it's not too bad. Yeah. First message every stream triggers it. You bet it does. Oh my gosh. Interview where?
Bye.
I'm interviewing for Shoppers Drug Mart as a supervisor. Listen, okay. Good to you. I'm thinking right now if I should just like go put on my shirt and just show you guys like what I'm gonna wear for the interview. Well, it's the automation, not the interview. Literally. But Taco, howdy, how are you doing today? Can I get a shout to Taco? Any VIPs or mods or something? Ajax. Ajax is cute. Oh my god, that's so true. They play Dota, and I'm telling you guys, anyone who plays Dota has to be cute. Some of holes, I'm still in one. Yeah, I'm pretty deep in one. I'll get out. We're thinking is normal. Nah, it happens, Alex. The hole that I'm in, right? You know, is the vibe of not being employed for 2 years. Just imagine being employed for 2 years. Now imagine like probably like 1/8 of what you'd no 1/14 of what you'd earn during 2 years like that. That's the vibe. Yep. I'm ugly. I play League at minimum wage, of course. Love playing Dota with you so much. It was so fun, Ajax. Oh my god, we need to do it some other time. We need to do it sometime soon, actually. Not some other time, sometime soon. If you gonna go to sleep soon? Oh my god, it is nighttime for you, isn't it, Taco? It's just after midnight. Taco, go to bed. Blink, blink, blink. Give me a second, guys. What the fuck? Bro, I'm fucking... What? The fuck? Ajax, I said no. I... Dude, I'm... I was literally dressing up for a second. Oh my god. What do I do? I don't. What do I do? 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 Listen better. I can't. I. I'm literally Ajax. All right. I'm putting my webcam. Where I go. I need you guys to judge my outfit for my interview, okay? Give me a second. Let me find this. Man's up. Box, and then we start to dance, and I sing like, girl, you know how. Is this looking good? Is this okay? Is this okay? Am I gonna ace this interview with that? Like, 10 out of 10 employable? Yeah, no, I got this shit. Okay. Easy game. Stunting on all of us? Yeah, don't mind me. Also, you know, base being as young as I am and also knowing how to tie a tie extremely well and formally. Your tie color doesn't match your Sona? Yeah, but here's the thing. The tie color is very strategic, right? Because if I wear a tie color that's like super like blue, like it's a very soft core telling exactly what you do. Shirt tucked well. High correct length, nice pants, nothing wrinkly. Pass? Do you want me to be all dirty and like crazy, honestly? Alright. Alex stamp of approval, I'd hire you. Hell yes. Alright, let me just let me take off this shirt and like, you know, fold it properly so it doesn't wrinkle, because I do need it tomorrow. Yeah. As you pass inspection. Oh, base, thank you. Yeah, no, I feel very confident that if I can wear something nice and be able to like, you know, fit it well and stuff, like we literally win this, okay? Shirts even look better when they're not tucked in. They can, but it really depends on the shirt. Like if the shirt like not really the shirt, it really depends on the situation, the formality, okay? Like if I'm out with my boys, I'm keeping one half untucked, all right? That's the strat, all right? Up to Vega, look at the interview. Yes, thank you so much, Taco. Rest well and stay safe, all right, bro? Hang in there, dude. Ajax, what the fuck did you do? Ooh, yeah, I should wear a belt, shouldn't I? I have a nice belt, actually. I think it should be good. Yeah. What did I do? I Do you wear contacts? Me, MC? No, I don't. I want to like, you know, get into that vibe of being able to like wear things cosmetically for fun. It's like, you know, getting those like cosmetic eye color contacts for fun, just so I can like as a prank, just have one eye color be completely different. Not to what's it called? Not to show as my appearance or be fake or anything, but to like trick people and make them more interested in me than they really ought to be so. And then I absolutely bamboozle them when I take my eye out. Mm, do you have a hat? I'm not wearing a hat. No. So the strat for me is I'm going to take my shower tonight because I always do my showers in the evening. And my hair is really fluffy. And if I take a brush to it after it's like finished drying off, it will literally stay up in an anime hairstyle. And it's actually fucking legendary. And it's I'm cool like that. Take your whole eye. Literally. Yeah. Give a scarf. Wait, that's too informal. Yeah. So what I'm looking for, because this position, it's not like just like, oh, it's not just like a regular like retail position. Like if this was a regular retail position, I'd probably just like wear something semi-casual, nothing too bad. But I want to wear something extremely formal because this is a supervisor position, and I need to show, despite being like somewhat younger than probably the people I'm going to be competing against for the position, I show an air of authority. And I'm telling you guys that my interview is going to be okay. My references are actually going to carry me so hard, because the 2 references that I've asked today to be my references for this tomorrow are the person who promoted me to be a supervisor when I was like 16, and also another manager at the store I used to work at who can describe how good I am at learning new skills and such. I'm just cool like that. Just have swamp eyes like me that change color every other day. Kind of phase. You're a morning shower boyo. I'm like an evening shower individual. It's nice having a shower before I go to bed, because it means that my bed is going to stay clean for much longer, which means that like I don't have to feel the pressure to wash my sheets like every week. I can do it like every other week, and it's normally pretty fine. What was I supposed to do again? Wait, Lorca.
Hello.
Goodbye.
See ya. Bye.
Taking a shower makes me sleepy, so evening as well. Oh, base. I mean, for me, it's like, it's not necessarily about being sleepy from the shower. It just, I feel really clean, and I love that cleanly feeling. Arr! Hi, Toxic. How are you doing? I take you less seriously in overly formal clothes. Is that weird? No, that's not weird, honestly. That's pretty reasonable. I feel that the authority I give is when I'm absolutely slay and gay as fuck. But when it comes to being professional in a workplace, I have to have that vibe. I mean, you all have heard like my low-key straight voice, so it's like, yeah. Posting pics of my lunch in the food. Oh my god. Okay, I have to go look. Abdullah seems confused by the hieroglyphics in the tomb. Oops. Sorry, give me a second. I need to open up this food pics. Oh, the yesterday food. Lobster. Oh, that looks exquisite. That looks really nice. And what about today? Lunch. And Ajax sandwich, and then there's the sun. Oh my gosh, you guys are posting such good food. I love that. What is that? Ale. There's ham there. What is that? Is that tofu or cottage cheese? I can't tell. And jalapenos. Oh my god. That looks really good. Oh my gosh. Because it's confidence. Confidence gives authority. Overly formal is like you take yourself way too seriously. Yeah, no, absolutely.
By the hieroglyphs in the tomb.
Really?
But you
sound
have to like
surprised.
have the theatric version of taking yourself way too seriously. Because if you don't take yourself seriously, they won't take you seriously if they have higher authority level than you.
Then it is confusing.
That's crazy like that.
What if
Black
it's
truffle
tomorrow?
burrata.
If he stumped
Oh
me,
shit,
something
real?
unique is going on here.
Wait, really? No. I haven't heard your stream impression. Do I want to? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it on stream. Because like it's really hard to get into that if I'm talking to people who I know are extremely, extremely like LGBT vibes. Lily seemed upset by me doing any work here.
Lily seemed upset about me doing any work here.
Show me a PhD student who isn't upset about something, and I'll build you your very own pyramid.
Oh, thank you for building
Why would she
me
wanna
a
keep you
pyramid.
away from
That
your
sounds
work?
fantastic.
I have no clue.
I can't. I literally can't. I'm literally like slurring upwards. It's actually crazy. Street, you can do the voice around me. Levi's Street, I can do the voice around Levi. What do you know about Lily?
What do you know about Lily?
Not much. She's with Abdullah's.
Okay, so yeah.
Strange. that
I'm out here being a legend. All right, the Legend 27, perhaps even.
word about a student
Yeah.
that, the
We're kind of
Archangel
gamer like that.
City is small, people
That's
talk.
I can. It's actually so bad.
All I'm going to say is
Mortadella, black
surprisingly
truffle burrata,
good.
spinach. Oh, it's spinach. Okay, cucumbers
Can't just
and
leave it
quarter
at
cones
that.
on toasted
The
sourdough.
curiosity center of my brain is gonna go into full countdown.
I can't.
The Legend
say
27 in
when
the
it's
flesh.
appropriate for me to talk about it.
I'm supposed to be playing Age of War, but this one player keeps kicking my ass. Is it the Legend 27? Yeah, the Legend 27. Who's the Legend 27? Some say the Legend 27 defeated an entire army with just one blow. Some say the Legend 27. Sorry, okay. I shouldn't be able to do that. I really shouldn't be able to do that. Okay, I really should not be able to do that. Yeah. It might have been just one attack. Let me find it. Whoa. You were love.
What are you guys playing?
Hey,
Supposed
supposed to be playing Game of War, but this one player keeps kicking my ass.
Is it
The Legend 27? Yeah, the Legend 27. Who's the Legend 27?
Some
Some
say
say
the Legend
Legend
27
27
is the
First
first game.
game.
of
Oh,
War
it's the
player
first Game of
ever
War player ever.
born
Okay.
From fire.
I
Okay.
heard the Legend 27 can hurl a boulder further than a catapult.
Oh shit. Okay, I
The
missed two
Legend 27
things.
once defeated an
Entire army with
a
just
single blow.
yeah. Okay.
But the
The worst part is just when you think you're safe, just when you think you might escape,
Wham!
wham, just like that.
Just like that. What? No. That's impossible.
The Legend 27 has captured my hero.
Guys, I'm
Mine
sure it
too.
can't be that bad.
You guys, I'm sure it's not that bad.
You have
You have no idea what just happened.
I
I
mean,
might have some idea. I can't.
Almost as brilliant as he thinks he is.
I can't do this.
Full of himself.
A little. With that amount of
I knew more of that than I really needed to, okay? If only I could do that perfectly, all. Because if I did that all perfectly, like,
this isn't the first
some say the Legend 27 was the first Game of War player.
that if he were to attack,
Forged from fire.
pick up from behind.
Some say the Legend 27 can hurl a boulder further than a catapult. Some say the Legend 27 defeated an entire army with just one blow. But just when you think you're safe, just when you think it's over, wham!
How's the recovery coming?
Good.
Have you guys seen
I'm at the point where watching television-
because I'm thinking about things
Oh, that's a good sign.
that I knew about in 2016.
Frustrating for the solution-oriented.
Have you guys experienced the Long Long Man commercial?
I don't think I've heard that before.
It's true. I find myself yelling, "Test your hypothesis before acting on it." At all of the sitcoms. Truthfully,
You guys want to see the Long Long Man?
feeling a little
Long Long Man. You know what I'm saying?
even if I have to sneak out of here.
I can't say. Was it gum? Yeah, it was like some sort of like gummy thing. Here, let me pull it up. I'll pull up the entire anthology because there's a story, okay? Listen, all right? My friends and I theorized about Long Long Man, okay? Okay. All right, guys. Let's observe Long Long Man, okay?
どうしたの？
トールさんが避ける組咲いてる時の顔が好き。
そう。
もっと
I love the way it looks. I want to look at it longer. Long, long man.
危ないねあの人。避け
Sakura gummy.
キリンさんが見てテナガザルこっちはゾウさんだ
ちいちゃんは
Bro,
長いのが
what?
好きなんだね
That's from yes, Alex.
気のせいか
Alex, you have to observe this. Like, just watch this. Long, long man. It's not gum. It's a gummy. But like, come out.
前にも言ったねあの長い人
This guy is going to take your girl, okay? If you aren't
酒飲み
careful.
のマンゴー見つけてさバイク便で送ったからそろそろ吹くと思うよ
すごいタイミング
サインお願いします。
Why is that soda's foot long by default? Hold on, we're getting robbed?
届いたよ
I feel like it's like half meter, isn't it?
味珍しいからたくさん買ったんだ
Taking Cody right now. You better, honestly. You aspire to be just like him? Oh my god, Alec. Chicken, yep. mhm.
避ける組対長い避ける組。
それ
This is the most insane, what's it called? Affair ever.
こんな風に。
Man.
すいません。
Will agree in the face in order to be just like him? Yes, dude, can I do it?
避ける組対
Become him.
長い避ける
Become one long man, bro.
はーい
電話出ないから心配になって
ちょっと寝込んでて
これ持ってきたから一緒に食べよ
今日はちょっと待って今はダメ
Long man. It's wild for that, bro. Like, just to watch. Don't worry.
避ける組対
ちいちゃんどうして俺じゃ
What's the name of that guy?
それは
ああそうかい長けりゃいいのかいビロービロ
I feel bad for the gummy. It's an entire story, okay?
ーちいちゃん
黙ってて
Chi-chan, no.
実は私も
Please don't die, Chi-chan.
だから長いものを見ると安心できるの
避ける組対長い避ける組。
どうしてそんな猿芝居したの？目移りするのチーの悪い癖だよ。
だって長いんだもん
長さに騙されてんじゃねえよ。え？避ける組一袋分並べていくと、ほら同
The
じ
same leg.
安いようにわざわざ切ってるんだよ。
トールさん優しい
避ける組対
It was just as long. It was just all cut up.
ちいちゃん聞いてもいい
何
プロポーズってどんな風にされたい
え
正直に言ってごらん
フラッシュモブは嫌かななんかこっぱずかしいし
No flash mob. No flash mobs.
ちいちゃん僕と結
Chi-chan.
婚
The rabbit ears are so real.
長い避ける組。
ちいちゃん
ダメ結婚式までお預け
シェーおやすみ
おやすみ
どちらまで？
She knows exactly what she's fantasizing about. That's crazy.
どうして
は？
すいませんやっぱり忘れられない
避ける組対長い避ける組。
She can't forget about it. What anime is this? Shram, you don't know Long Long Man? Long Long Man. He's going into the. He's crashing the wedding, bro. Chi-chan, no, don't do it!
私
Wormafold, howdy, are you doing it again? Say what I do. What even is
ト
this?
ールさんごめんなさい
Wow, that's crazy, Shram.
分かったでしょ私はひどい女なの
ああもうやだどうしていつも俺の前に払われるんだよ
Long, long man.
君のことが。
Long man. The plot twist turns gay.
トール君俺嘘だろ
高いったのに
What a good man.
僕らはきっと分かり合える
Chichan doesn't deserve you, honestly.
いいですか 避ける組長い避ける
Chichan doesn't deserve him, okay? I'm telling you guys right now, Chichan does not deserve him. Alright? Trust me. Yeah, fuck Chichan. Toru-san is so real for that, okay? Alright, do you guys feel fulfilled now that you've seen Long Long Man? Does that ad campaign make you feel fulfilled? Oh my god, Professor Hotkiss, how so, yeah. And now for something completely different.
It's Nancy
You more Long Long Man? I wish there was more, but dude, my friends and I had so much theorizing going on during that. And like my one friend absolutely called it. I wasn't old when I saw it. Oh my god. It happens. My age, it's important that I keep abreast all of my meteorological development. Yeah. Good for you, Hotchkiss. The weather monkey keeps yelling the weather at me?
Maybe you should uninstall it?
I will do no such thing.
You feel old as fuck? Yeah?
Maybe
Ajax,
you
it
should
happens,
turn
you
it
know?
down?
Sometimes you just have to be like base like that, you know?
Oh, yes, Samantha.
Don't worry, I'm like...
I would love to help you, but how do I know you again?
Nancy,
I'm very gamer coded, you know?
We've met a few times.
I'm Nancy Drew. I do miss having teen emotions. They were a wild ride. You know what's really wild? When I was a teen, I didn't have teen emotions.
And I need your help.
And now that I'm not a teen, I'm having teen emotions, and it feels like I'm too old to have those. Isn't that crazy?
I don't
Isn't
know
that
how to
insane?
respond to that. I read your book and I thought maybe you could help.
We need a sequel. Yes, Alex. Alex, do you want to be the long man? Game Boy Advance was 24 years ago, and I fear old.
I didn't exactly find it. You
Dude,
sent it to me.
that's not that
You
long
even
ago.
signed it.
Simple.
Dear, I sign and send lots of things.
Yo, I released 24 years ago, so like, if you think about it, I'm a gamer like that. You'll be my long... Alex! You need to make a new flavor so we can have a whole new story. Yes! Peach... They already have peach sakurigami and grape sakurigami. I want my hormonal emotions back. Why do I have to have hormonal emotions right now when I literally can't do anything? Have you heard of an expedition that went off in search of Nefertiti years ago? Wait,
Have you heard of an
Nefertari?
expedition that went off in search of
Nefertari?
years ago?
Oh, yes. The team in which everyone
Blue,
died.
blue raspberry?
Yes.
Speaking of blue
You think
raspberry,
that
I have to
story is
get
true?
a blue raspberry
Oh,
flavor
heavens,
thing.
yes. It's deadly out there in the desert. Think about it. You're going out there in search of dead bodies. There
Alright
must
guys,
be a
let me see
reason
here.
for
Can I
it.
find a blue raspberry Jolly Rancher? I need to put Jolly Ranchers back on my throne.
Searching for QV66, right?
I am almost out of the Jolly Ranchers I got last year.
They were
I listen to sad music and get sad and cry like
sabotage.
emo I was, and be mellow and
What do
happy
you
like I
think
am now.
happened to them?
Oh, it's best you
You're
not
allowed to be
consider
mellow and happy. I'm allowed to be
your
happy
current location.
and relaxed. Not quite mellow, you know, because like mellow takes a certain level of relaxation to get to. But like I'm literally so high blood pressure. Do it, put things in your throat. I dare it. The word clanker made it to mainstream media. I think I said clanker twice last stream. So don't worry, I'm using Clanker properly. Just like the mainstream media. Fucking AI clankers. I was watching a video that was people on mainstream media talking about how people are using the word chat. And you know what they said? They said the thing that popularized people saying chat, is this real, or chat so and so forth, like all these chat things, was ChatGPT. But I feel like it happened before ChatGPT. I feel like it was literally talking to a Twitch chat or YouTube chat. Surely, right? Am I dumb? It's from Twitch, yeah. But people in the mainstream media think that people saying chat a lot comes from ChatGPT. That was not ChatGPT, right? Yeah, okay. I'm not crazy for being like super confused, all right? I had to bring that up, you know.
Abdullah?
Yes, I have. He is December on my Men of Archaeology
But
calendar.
like it was so weird just hearing people talking about how, oh yeah, people in California are starting to refer to ChatGPT as chat. Like saying chat, is this real? And I was like, this is not real. This is not real. People do not say that. Excuse me, chat. Chat, this is real. Yeah. Got the email today. We have approved LLM. We can put project data in.
But by the end, he'd be sweetly holding flowers and saying, "Professor Hotchkiss, I'm dying to discuss your latest publication."
You're scared? It's nothing to be scared about, honestly.
Her latest romance novel, and I must confess I cannot wait until the project is completed. Reading
It's not like the contracts will ever dry up, you know?
wreaking havoc on my metaphors.
For your style of work.
Anyway, what were we talking about?
Don't feed it poison data, because the LLM is going to be specifically trained for your company.
That's what he's a
So feeding it poison data
hotshot with only
is going to destroy your entire like company.
Sorry, I've also been helping my nephew break into the movie trailer business. Oh,
Feed the ones that are online poison data. That's the important thing.
He's a good archaeologist who knows Egypt inside and out. He could teach you a thing or two. Just
Something I recommend you do, if you're ever using something like ChatGPT, Gemini, or something, you know how they use like a lot of words like very frequently that people don't normally use? All right. Select one of those words. Let me look this up here. Most frequent LLM words. Yeah, saying like the word delve, okay? What you need to do for your data, okay, is just randomly like type in your prompt that you'd normally type, okay? Just replace every like few words with the word delve, okay? Then that'll get put back into training data. And then every few words replace it with delve. Put that in, and so on and so forth, okay? Small changes like that are enough to destroy data sets, trust me, okay? Use delve all the time. Let's delve right into this. That sounds so like fake, honestly. Do it with your own work. Yeah.
What do you know about
But if the LLM is being used for your company, then it's going to be on an internal database, okay?
because when I'm done, there won't be a dry Horus in the house.
Like it's gonna be a dry copy
What?
of the model.
Look it up, dear.
Delves from.
Ramses II and Nefertari shared a love so vast. the
Don't
world
talk to
would
Cal about delves, okay? Do not talk to Cal about delves.
Talking about the kind of love you spell capital L, capital O, heart instead of a V, capital E. They stood side by side and ruled the world, but as they saw the years,
Oh yeah, the base model isn't going to be empty.
they were keen
But once
to
it's
wear
once you
their
have your copied
decades would never come.
version,
They
you don't want to
seemed
poison it
be together always.
because
That's sweet.
champion, we all need your help with some. Shut the.
That life was little more than a dress rehearsal for
Hal, we
them.
held off on doing
I found
You probably already did your
records
Mythic
of
Zeros,
days
but we
to
held
play
off just in case you wanted to play as well
forever, side by side.
on an
Why
alt or
not be
something.
buried side by side.
They foresaw a volatile future for their kingdom, and they were correct. They knew they would have to enact safeguards. That's why in 1904, when QV-66, the so-called tomb of
Professor Hotchkiss, can you repeat everything you just said? I was thinking about Delves.
What are the chances we found Nefertari's tomb?
If I were a gambling Hotchkiss, I'd say 60-40.
That's not bad. That's pretty good odds. I'd take those. They have our own AI. We're so ethical as if they built it from scratch and magically got their artists to make hundreds of thousands of art pieces. Yep. From scratch, yep. And they paid their artists like the value that the art that they were generating was worth. Yep. So real, so real. Doing laundry like a clean, upstanding fox. I need to shower without you. Listen, you can't be a clean fox if you don't shower yourself with your own saliva. If art is generated by AI, it's worth nothing. True. But you should still be compensating the people that you train it off of, because otherwise it's literal, like, it's theft for theft's sake instead of just, like, you know, that at least someone gets value out of it because people are using it. It's kind of suck, honestly, though.
You mentioned an expedition that found QV-66.
That's what I want.
Nefertari's tomb.
This model that can make me, I don't know, a Venn diagram, okay? Maybe your saliva, maybe. Sure, Duganite. Sure, you know what? Sure, yeah, you're fine.
And you don't
I love gelato.
Was entombed there?
They only found kneecaps, which supposedly
Yeah, it should be so widely available.
You disagree?
Yes.
I do. What good is the mummy without the context? It's the placement in the tomb that makes the mummy valuable.
I don't see a use case for generative AI in creative spaces. No, literally not. It's literally terrible. It feels like it's exclusively like a data-driven thing, you know? Like, oh yeah, we have data points. Let's try and, like, you know, use it to analyze, like, references. Don't use, like, even generative AI for, like, wording things just feels so cringe. Like, I don't know. I don't like that.
Why is Nefertari so important?
There are two
The social experiment. What happened to anime?
exactly the same reason.
Oh shit.
Hatshepsut is the first.
I think I've heard of her. She was the pharaoh that was almost removed from the historical record, right?
Exactly. 20-some years of peace and stability.
Hey guys, I want to kiss Alex, but it's just like, it's just a social experiment, okay guys?
Why?
Jealousy, revenge.
I'm just curious what would happen as a social experiment
You name it.
if I kiss Alex.
Keep a good woman down. Despite the efforts of Thutmose III's supporters, her legacy endured.
And Nefertari?
In my opinion, she's the opposite. She was obsessive.
You have to collect multiple samples? Yeah, exactly. Social experiment, yeah, exactly. To get a baseline? True. But how are you sure Nefertari's tomb was hidden?
How sure are you that Nefertari's tomb was hidden?
There was something strange about QV-66. I think that might be why it is off limits to this day.
It is?
To you and me, at the very least. There is a rumor that the tomb has a clue to the true location of Nefertari's mummy.
Really?
Who knows?
Safe
I'll
to
tell you,
sure.
I didn't
What's the
apply
hypothesis for this
before
experiment?
but I noticed that the syntax was a little wonky.
Gotta be something
I don't know
socially
how well the
relevant.
syntax could be wonky.
True, but it was almost as if Nefertari and Ramses II had
We are performing a social experiment to kiss Alex because my hypothesis is that I would get a certain amount of more happiness, serotonin, for performing that kiss than my baseline. The first finding, I'll DM you. What? The impact of femboy furries for workplace morale. Can we get that experiment going? True. And since we're working with like femboy
Goodbye.
furries, I guess like that means we can probably pull in like any. Heard that little. Shut up, okay. We gotta like pull in like all of the extremely like submissive like furry individuals like foxes and stuff, which means that Ajax is also gonna have to be included in this experiment. Same with Duganite, but Duganite's gonna be like, I don't know, cringe or some shit. Femboy furries, you say? Yeah. Shram, just like you, for real, for real. Literally Homelander. I'm not a submissive femboy furry. Yeah, that's why you're the baseline, don't worry. Cringe or some shit. Yeah, no, exactly. Wait, are all of them kissing me or no? This is a different experiment. This experiment is for workplace morale. So it's gonna be in a workplace. We're gonna have a bunch of femboy furries kiss multiple people, okay? Or something. Not kiss, but like, you know, interact with people. Yeah, no. The experiment for me is the kissing one. That's just the initial experiment to open up the doors to experimenting with other femboy furries in other contexts, okay? Hey, Bez.
Hi, Bess.
Nancy, how goes the old mummy hunt?
Good.
Good,
I
I
think
think.
maybe bad.
Something happened, didn't it?
There was a sandstorm, and the professor from Kingston had to be taken to the hospital.
Nancy,
Oh no,
careful
not
out
the
there. It sounds
hospital.
dangerous.
I will.
George is all wrapped up in that new job.
Wrapped up like a mummy.
Anytime you need help.
Just run that experiment with
Full
you.
disclosure. Well, I do
Honestly, no, that experiment will be exclusive with me. Like, I hate that.
pathologist on television. I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Annoying boomers and managers with femboy furries and partials. I feel like that would be very good for the economy. Alex, I would never volunteer you for something you didn't want. Case Ontario bitch. Yeah? Yo, Brendan, you doing anything tomorrow? You have exclusive rights to access my lips? Hell yes. Lily seems very uptight.
Lily seems very uptight.
Do you think she's hiding something?
No doubt about it. I just don't know if it's relevant.
Strange behavior is rarely irrelevant, especially in a group that isolated.
Good point.
Hey, Bess, I'm not sure what to do.
I'm not sure what to do.
Check around to see if there's anything to help you get a better idea of what's going on at the site. Someone should have left some notes around. John probably had some.
John probably had some?
See ya.
John Boyle?
Hi.
I'll let you go.
See ya.
Making the movies. It smelled like wannabe alpha in here. Oh my. Is that me? Am I wannabe alpha? Dear John, I heard at the recent Paris and Williams archaeological gala that you are still looking for the perfect applicant to round out your team for the upcoming dig in Egypt. I'm writing to recommend Nancy Drew as the candidate for consideration. Nancy worked with us as a deputy curator for the Beach Hill Museum, where her observation skills and attention to detail provide an invaluable contribution to the successful opening of our exhibition. Finding the Maya, a lost civilization speaks. I am confident that you would be pleased with Nancy's work as we were. Her deductive reasoning, perseverance, and intelligence are an ideal match for your team's search for answers in the desert. Feel free to contact me with any questions you may have about Nancy's exceptional talents. Regards, Franklin Rose, President. Oh, the President of the... Brendan, how are you doing? I hate how I know Brendan's talking about you. Wait, Brendan's talking about you? That's crazy, honestly. Alex, I'm gonna send you a message real quick, alright? I need to send you something that I'm not gonna say out loud, but like... Perfect. All right.
Part of John's notes are missing. That
Part of
doesn't
John's
seem
notes are
right.
missing. All right, let's see. So, Parer Mwenedmeth. You probably are, honestly. What's that anime English dub? Oh, I had to like say it with no intonation whatsoever. That way you'd understand that it was someone else speaking and not me. That probably is the benchmark you have to outperform, yes. It'll be quite difficult, but you can probably do it easily. Ray. With his strong arm, or possibly with his right arm? Could be open to interpretation, like the god Ra? No wonder some of these hieroglyphs aren't making any sense. There are numerous locations where whole phrases are undecipherable. They all seem to be marked by the same unique symbol. Could it be their builder of the tomb create their own language? I feel like I may be starting to break the code. Regardless, the hieroglyphs around the tomb are giving a strong indication of a royal female presence. Could it be the last queen? The partial inscription decoded from the place, or the piece removed from the main room, certainly seems to say it is. Sealed behind the titles, if I can find that. Find the day's discovery since Tutankhamun. Toxic gatekeeping conversations? Brendan, do you want to know what I'm talking about or something? Oh my god, Brendan visits in your dreams? That's so cute. Good for you, Brendan. One a night and one more time. Thanks for the memories. Think that they weren't so great. It tastes like you, only sweeter. One night, yeah, one more
Bye.
time. Thanks for the memories. Thanks for the memories. See, it tastes like you, only sweeter. Whoa, whoa.
Yes?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
My dictionary could help translate that.
According to Reto. Yeah, that's the spell. Okay. Oh. What can I click? One night and one more time. Thanks for the memories. Even though they weren't so great, it tastes like you, only sweeter. Night, yeah, one more time. Thanks for the memories. Thanks for the memories. See, it tastes like you, only sweeter. Oh, whoa. Wait, what the hell? Guys, look at the depth when I enter this room. Sweaty's crazy. Oh, your response to my query? Yeah, no, I already checked. I have my messages open. Some kind of base like that. Okay, I don't have the Beatles.
That jackal symbol is at the beginning and end of this passage. There must be something special about it. Crazy.
Dikaun kam to benik at mcgwaten vapte kamail ot kimdoat Netanioic moi apcop Tom Cluey gni itmkpa motion see if na simpt I picogoya iomasea I see ixtham spakmo itin imap mpakamoa pusa ice timoak lan mkoi kaka oop b'madima. Speaking Simlish, that's crazy. All right. I'm pulling up my phone right here to use a Caesar shift decoder. The Discoen am. I like literally find out what it is. You repeat what you said? Oh, what you just read? I zoned out. Oh yeah, no worries. I got you. Discoen camto fupinuk atmaka watan vapnita kamayoet umdoat tanioic moi apkop tomaklui gani itmkama mushin si ifna simt I pakoya iom sea ic ixmmpspa kamo itnika imap mpukapa mumua pisa ice timawak ilan mkoi kaka upamumdema. Does that help? There is no shift, which makes this make sense. This is disappointing. Oh, it's like this, isn't it? Sia! Oh my god, can we get a shout out for Sia? That's a nerd. It's just Polish, yeah? I'm gonna use children's of this gibberish text. Yes. Noodles? Wait, what? Yeah, get fucked, Sia. She says the silver, like these bowl of noodles aren't for me. Oh my god, can I have a set of noodles? And can we Lady in the Trampet? I am I am and plane, train, grain? Could this be like an H? Maybe this is like the. Wait. Air. A friend amend? No, that wouldn't make sense with the T here. Time be hither. Wait, ye, day. I am the cry that something. Come, this is come ye hither. Of horse? Hunter for in the train of Horus and let the steps send. We are the four of Horus. I am the air that sweeps up the Nile. I am the hunter who faces to greet.
Looks like I need to find out who the 4 sons of Horus were.
I'm actually a legend, okay? And you know the worst part about this? This was on one of my applied cryptography exams. This kind of assignment. Because you know what they had us do? You know what they had us do? This was a 3.5-hour exam. It might be a 4-hour exam. And they had us hand draw. Like, the reason why I went to do frequency analysis from the last Nancy Drew game we had to do this in was because they had me hand draw a chart, like a table, that had each of the letters and try and figure out what the different... So they had, like, I think it was 2 or 3 ciphers. I can't remember which one it was. But we had to, like, draw a frequency analysis chart and a few other different things to figure out whether... Or to try and determine what type of cipher was used of Caesar shift, replacement cipher, block ciphers, or a visionaire cipher. Speaking of Horus, there's like a whole ass like ancient Egyptian gay fanfiction between Horus and Set, featuring cum that's thousands of years old, and it reads like something off the internet. Okay, can you like send that to me? Thank you. Okay. Sweeps of the Nile, the hunter faces to greet the new day. I'm Im City, protector of the south. I am the cry that soars towards the setting sun. Together, we the gods, in the train of Horus, guard the corners.
This must be the Queen's titles John mentioned in his notes. It looks like a
These must be
hieroglyph
the
appears in the bottom
Queen's.
row when the column contains only one type of hieroglyph. I need to rearrange the pieces so the bottom reveals the hidden message.
What? The Queen's tiles? What? Which ones were the Queen's tiles? Wait, what? What are the Queen's tiles? Can someone tell me where I'm supposed to be reading tiles here? Like, I literally cannot. When I met. But his brother uses man worm leech, which also translates to with a strong arm. Oh, okay. I'm side with a Queen, I do. I look like you. They aren't making sense, but numerous locations of the whole phrases are undecipherable. A partial inscription decoded from the piece removed from the main room certainly seems to say it. The tomb within sealed behind her titles. Acknowledge them fully with no gaps from left to right, and it shall be open. Okay, so no gaps. Okay. fell for you. Oh, I swear to ya, I'll be there for ya. And it's not a bye-bye. Just a shy guy looking for a tour guide. I love everything is groovy. Oh, I swear to ya, I'll be there for ya. Viral. Hope that don't hide. Frankly, swear as hell, 'cause as I really fell for you. Oh, I swear to ya, I'll be there for ya. In this night of drive-by, just a shy guy looking for a tour guide. I love it. Groovy, everything is groovy. Why is it glowing? Are you calling me it, Filex? Telling you multiple symbols can mean the same thing? The bond piece is a real problem? You're a real problem. It's over now. Oh, side of the street I knew. Girl that looked like you. I guess it's deja vu. I swear to ya, I'll be there for ya. It's not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking for a tour guide. I love everything is groovy. Oh, I swear to ya, I'll be there for ya. I like this. The equal sense on top of that. I don't know. Like you need two spaces for it, like they're taken by other pieces. Wait, I need two spaces? No gaps from left to right, and they shall be opened. I think this is fine. I think I'm doing it right. When the skin spells rose. I'm proud of you, to you. Oh, I mean, a day goes by. It's hold me tight. Like, huh? Yeah. You gotta go shower when I get home from work rather than go to bed now. I feel so free. When I got tired, I just go to bed and don't have to do anything. Oh my god, you don't have to do anything when you go to bed? I'm jealous. Okay, that works like that. And I can do this. Where would I put the skull, though? Skin Strauss. And tapping out of you. A day goes by, so hold me tight or don't. Story ends tight. So hold me tight, oh don't. Ice packs in the freezer and lunch for tomorrow's prepped? Prep? Wow, prep is so cool. There's definitely 3 columns that have this like upper circle, right? So I think the trick to this one is finding out which ones match to which pieces. That one doesn't fit there. Wait. I want to know what like the top left piece is, but I literally cannot figure that yet. We'll see that. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Because that's the wiggle, okay? That's that right there. And these all need to be moved over by 1. Because I need the downward piece there. But if these get moved over by 1, this will allow me to put the other downward piece here. And then I just need to get a piece on the far right side. William staring. I move these over by 1. I can fit this over here. Way too close. And then that can go there. It's in the eye. Light, I don't have to go. Tonight I'm gonna hold you so close. Daylight, I don't have. Oh, whoa, whoa. If this goes all the way over here, I have 1, 2, 3, then a block here, but that doesn't fit. Maybe the first piece has something to do with like. If I knew what the first piece was, this is too much effort. It's not that much effort. It's just a puzzle, you know? Because I'm thinking if I can figure out what this first letter is, we'll be pretty good here. But I don't know which letters are which. You're not allowed to be responsible, Duganite. Can you undo your laundry? Like, Control Z that shit real quick? Whoa. You'll piss in them? Perfect. Alright, let me go out here. Oops. Let's go to Nancy's thing right here. It's not this one. I thought Nancy had a book that had like a bunch of hieroglyphs in it.
My dictionary could help translate that.
This is by Key of Ra. Yeah, whatever. You're trying to be invincible. Yeah. Oh. I feel like I've made almost no progress in this game. Okay. So it's an A or H? What do you guys think? A or H? I am. A or H? It's not A or H. I literally fucked up. 1 second. I am so bad at reading. Where's the dick shape? The upside down T. I swear. I swear. Now she could take the book with her. It's not like the book's chained to the chest. Yeah, but that would make things too easy, you know? Think about how easy it would be to just do that. Okay, well, I know that this is locked to this piece here. So whatever happens there, those are locked together. These two are locked together like this. But that blocks that off. It's my first open spot. It's like here. Hmm. I mean, these are locked like this, right? On top of the earth, trying to be invincible. Yeah. Oh. You're just getting a screening of the book and have it open on a second monitor? Yeah, but that's probably not very important. Oh my god, Corgi, how are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. How have you been? I can't have this be like that. Which kind of forces me into a situation like this where like I kind of have to have the upward facing pieces like that. So if I do this, I'm dying on top of the world. Do that? No. Which means this probably doesn't fit here. This fits here. Which puts this here. But the squiggle doesn't make sense there because the squiggle's over here. But if I put the squiggle here, now there's way too much clogging. Okay, I'm just assuming it's this, okay? I'm assuming it's this. Because that's the only thing that makes sense to me. From here, though, I could probably get that piece like this. But there's no good way to get the pieces like this. Where I have 2 open spots in a row. I could do this, maybe? I can't put the bird far enough over, though. And if I have... Here we got one. This needs to be the crown. The bird can't move over. So if I move the bird over like this, then I move the crown over like this, that puts the bird hole there. But that means that we have this T-pose hole, which is kind of gross. Unless I'd move this piece over, and this piece over here, and then this piece over here. But now I have the equals hole. Okay, I forgot what I was going to say halfway through typing. What does that mean? Maybe this is at the end here. And I want to work my way over like that. Maybe that's the vibe because it can't fit much space, right? If I get the equal sign here. And that gives me space to put the mini bird places that makes sense to put it. And I think that's the only place that the mini bird fits like that.
That's it. Now if I only knew what it meant.
I'm telling you guys, I was like this close to opening up a guide to figure out what the first letter was going to be. It means I'm a dumb dog. We both already knew that you were dumb, but like, it happens, bro.
It's still sealed. Oops.
Oops.
Whoa.
What are you doing?
I think we found the tomb.
I think we found the tomb. Yeah, Lily, I gotta see this myself. Yep, Lily, do it.
Brilliant.
Who is that?
Who's that? Wait, what?
Magnificent.
What is this? Look at the hieroglyphs. There is something very important here.
It's the curse.
Everyone, get out of here.
Oh, if I can just get this light to turn back on.
Now!
It's the curse, guys.
Hi.
Hi, Lily, do you think this really is Nefertari's tomb?
Do you think this really is Nefertari's tomb?
I really hope so.
Why isn't she in the tomb in the Valley of the Queens?
There could be a lot of reasons. The
Maybe
worst
she was
case is grave robbers,
crazy.
but we really don't think that's the case.
Why not?
Because her valuables were found, but her body wasn't. Doesn't make sense. We think she was hidden. Ramses II was known to be very protective, and he was very concerned about the afterlife. It's possible.
So we wanted to make
Ramses
sure that
built
she
a
was
false
completely
tomb to
fine?
ensure she'd be undisturbed.
Okay.
There are many stories of his love for her, but we don't know how true they are.
If he went through so much trouble, don't you feel strange about disturbing her tomb?
I think it's really funny that
Someone will do
with
it
digging up
eventually.
all of these like
If we get
tombs
there
and stuff
first,
of
she'll be
pharaohs,
treated with respect, and she'll truly
these
get
people are
moved
just
on
being
forever.
yanked from the
If someone
afterlife
else
or
finds her,
something.
she'll go to the highest bidder.
If you're so interested in Nefertari, why aren't you below?
Promise you won't make fun of me?
Sure.
I'm scared of the dark.
I'm a woman of science, okay? But the curse thing rattled me. I need to do research now anyway. I'd prefer to do it where nothing will fall on me, and maybe get a little FaceTime with a certain British someone.
Oh, based on with a little British someone. Okay. Do you think there's something to this curse?
Do you think there's something to this curse?
I've studied curses, so look. Don't make me say it.
Say what?
Yes, I do. Even reading about curses gives me the creeps.
I
Why
love
are you
curses.
reading
Curses
about
make me so
curses?
happy.
They give you the creeps.
I know, it's weird. It's like if I can learn everything about curses, then maybe they won't have any control over me. I can tell that you probably don't
Lily,
believe in curses. So
Lily,
please
listen,
don't make fun
okay?
of me.
How can you tell I don't believe in curse? I'm not.
Not.
Sorry, I'm just a bit worked up. I'm probably just being oversensitive. You're too
You're just being
calm.
oversensitive? That's
Do you
crazy.
know how effective curses are? They are deadly 76.42% of the time. You know who
Nerd.
else has that fatality rating? Whitewater rafting with a hungry bear, who also has the bird flu and he's holding dynamite.
That seems crazy for there to be 76.42%. Because that means that there's definitely around 1,000 times that's happened where where someone was whitewater rafting with a hungry bear and the bird. Wait, with a hungry bear, the bear also had bird flu and they're holding dynamite. That's crazy. Unless she's doing the calculation where, like, oh, because there's never an instance where you're whitewater rafting with a hungry bear and also the bear has bird flu, maybe the instance that she's counting, or sorry, you have bird flu, okay, and he's holding dynamite, the instances they're counting is probably just the and of each of the, or sorry, the or of each of these, because the and can't physically occur, which means the overlap's not there. What's that book?
What's that book?
Curses of the World, the compendium of cruel curses and curious casualties. It does have a lot of C's.
It's probably a
Doesn't
curse.
seem like light reading.
I was originally going to go into paleontology, but no, I changed my mind freshman year. Why did no one tell me about how creepy curses are when I switched majors? Dinosaurs were bad
This
news
is not
back in the day,
Dota?
but now, totally
My
safe.
category's not Dota, though,
Mummies, on the other
right?
hand, I make poor life choices.
Curses aren't real.
Mummies do so many curses. Have you
No,
seen The Mummy?
no more taunting
Tom
me.
Cruise, The Mummy?
It's not
Tom
around
Cruise?
me.
Tom Cruise,
I'm
Scientology,
too
The
young
Mummy?
to die out here. I have things to do. I'm
It's not a
still
stinky
in
joke.
school. I haven't
Oh.
even started my life yet.
Fucking
I'm
dumb.
not tempting fate here, Nancy. I refuse.
What do you think
Okay,
about
I
being
can
there to
respect
finally
that.
open the
What
tomb?
did you think about being there to finally open the tomb?
I don't know what to think. When I was near it, it just felt... No, it's stupid.
What?
Something was in that room with me. Whatever it wasn't human. At least not anymore. Don't go in there.
Well, oh, I was looking something up. Sorry. Give me a second. I'm pulling up Bark real quick. One moment. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. Some more. That is exactly what I said. Oh, sorry, Cookie. Yeah. Bye-bye. Stay safe. So my. Let me go charge my flashlight. Oh.
Flashlight's dead. I'll need to find another light source. It looks like someone was tampering with these wires.
Ooh, someone crossed the wires. Ooh, what a naughty, naughty thing to do, creating a short circuit like that. Okay, well, I'm gonna need to find a way to get light. So how am I gonna do this? Can I just like take this lamp? I know I'm gonna need to like get a lantern or something, but still. Come on. I feel like I saw a lamp in my room. Can I not take my lamp? Why can't I take a lamp from my room?
Stay out of there.
Yo, Abdullah, right? Sorry, you're eating the wires? Oh, sorry, Koki. My apologies. I didn't realize you were eating the wires.
Who are you? Why are you here?
I could ask the same of you, but I won't. I'm Dylan Carter.
Oh, you're
to
Dylan
answer
Carter.
your question you didn't ask, but probably meant to.
I'm Nancy Drew.
Brilliant. Well, good chat. Mustn't keep you from your duties.
Do you really think this is Nefertari's
Do
tomb?
you really think this is Nefertari's tomb?
It better be,
No worries,
otherwise
Koki.
you're
I'll eat the
very
wires
lost.
with you if you'll have me.
What does that mean?
You will?
She's why I'm here. As a tour guide, I love the sites that tell a story. And Ramses I and Nefertari have the making of a classic love story, if we can find her here.
You mean Ramses the Second, right?
I do? I mean, yes, I do. Of course. Strange life being a king. You get everything but your own name.
That's crazy. Yay. Yes, Koki. Wire chompers.
What do you think of Abdullah?
I like how it
He's
gives you a
got
little bit of
quite the
a
ego.
shock, you know?
Well, I'm sure he deserves it.
What makes you say that?
If he didn't, no one would put up with him. History's great pioneers always tend to be a bit prickly. Sure, he's a tyrant, but he's supposed to be the best in his field.
Do you think he is?
Who knows if
He
it's
is
true?
not. He could
I'm
never
the
be,
best,
okay?
the guy who says, I'm the best, the loudest. Unfortunately, either one of those two things works.
This is the best way to
equally
fix
well.
a bad
You
fur
know,
day?
He's just on the edge.
Oh my god.
What do you mean?
I love
He's
fur.
close to being known the world over.
Fur's so cool. I love antlers, I
Must have
love
got
fur,
a
I
glimpse
love
of what that
hooves.
would be like. I wonder what he'd do to make it over that last hurdle.
Huh. John Carter, why are you like getting in my head like this? Maybe he did want to destroy Boyle.
Why are you hanging out here outside instead of going into the tomb?
Why aren't you hanging out outside?
I'm a little busy right now. I have better
I
things to
have
do.
better things to do.
Oh, you do not. When you come to your senses, I'll still be here. You know why England tried to take over the world?
Boredom?
Boredom?
Because we've got everything we need. Except for the sun. You know why we stopped trying to take over the world?
Because
This is
everyone else
fucking
got
British.
sick of it?
Wormafold, thank you for the follow.
Did.
Wormafold, I'm actually
Real reason
confused.
you're
Wait,
hanging out
that
here
wasn't your
is
first time
because you
chatting
think you
earlier.
actually go into the site?
That's
I
crazy.
was hoping we'd
But
go
welcome,
on
welcome.
a
Thank you so much for the
little
follow.
for that
Howdy,
matter.
howdy. How are you doing today? How was your time here? With the open beta for Battlefield yet? Not yet. I'm gonna do it soon. I know it's like, what, today, tomorrow or some shit? I just physically cannot bring myself to because of all the interviews. What do you do exactly?
What do you do exactly?
As a tour guide, I show the world to those who want to see it. It's the best job on the planet, next to lion tamer.
Wait, so
or
you're a tour guide.
astronaut.
Why are you here?
Where do you give tours?
All throughout Egypt.
That sounds like a fantastic job, but why aren't you leading a tour now?
It's getting very competitive these days. I need every advantage I can get. Well, that's why I'm here. To be perfectly on the level, I have to be.
Since you're a tour guide, can you give me any information about Egypt I might need to know?
Sure, here.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful. Man with ostrich plumed crown. Yup. Guys, Bastet. Wow, that's so cool. Horus is really cool. Anubis is cool. Sobek's kind of cool as well. Toth is also really cool. Perfect. I can't remember the other names of Ra. Osiris is also pretty cool. I can't remember which gods are also Ra. Because there's like 4 of them that are all the same or whatever. Perfect. Why are you so sure the public would want to tour the
Why are
site?
you so sure the public would want to tour this site?
Surely you've heard of the curse.
I have. Do you believe in it?
Of course I
It's a very good marketing
But
scheme.
since you're here, you must not be worried about being cursed yourself.
I've been gloriously unlucky my whole life. I don't think a curse could make things much worse.
Actually, I will curse you with 100
I'd
years
better
bad
get
luck.
going.
Come back
And
anytime.
100 years fluff, and I'll just be covered in fur. Ooh woo, ooh woo, ooh woo, woof woof. So I need a light source, huh?
Yes?
Is it strange that some hieroglyphs don't make
Is
sense?
it strange that some of the hieroglyphs don't make sense?
There is a saying. If a lion could speak, we would not understand him.
Yeah.
So let's say one day, magically...
Don't curse me covered in fur. Oh, I'm cursing you to be covered in fur. You're gonna be absolutely covered. You're gonna be coated, okay? You're gonna be growing more fur than you could possibly trim, okay?
You could never understand what he was trying to say.
Is that how you think of the ancient Egyptians?
Yes. Now let me show you why I am the best archaeologist in the world in one simple step.
Alright, tell me. I can't become the best archaeologist in the world without that one simple step.
Okay, go ahead.
I am Ramses II.
I thought you looked familiar.
I thought you looked familiar.
Please, I am much more handsome than he was. Now pay attention.
Okay.
I, Ramses II. I look at my kingdom.
Oh, his step
Look at
is
my
that he like
kingdom.
does
Be
roleplay.
Ramses with me. Come now, survey the kingdom. We are kings. Look at the sands. They part in the most elegant tribute to our majesty. Listen to the river. You are not doing it.
Ricky reverb. Sorry, I'll try harder.
Sorry, I'll try harder.
Good. Listen to the river. That is better. The birds
Oh,
of
reverb,
prey
not
and
reverb.
even the deadly serpents bow before us. They look to us as if we were the sun. And remember, we are Ramses. We are the sun, most favored by Ra, sun god. The heartbeat of this world is
Oh, that's
the
why it's
Ramses
Ramses.
Dome.
Oh.
Looking at all of this, what do you want?
I'm gonna do with all that fur?
could I
Maybe you should cut it all off.
Exactly. Now tell me, what are you afraid of?
I'm afraid
guess
of losing what I have.
Losing what I have.
Yes, you are thinking like a pharaoh. Now tell me, how could you lose what you have?
Britney
I
Spears
can't
moment?
lose anything. I'm the pharaoh.
Wrong. You can.
Oh my fucking god, Alex. Oh my fucking god.
You will be
You're
gone and
crazy.
forgotten.
Okay, but how does all of this lead to the lost queen?
For thousands of years, the lion spoke, and no one understood. But understand the fear, and you understand the man.
Oh, I understand the man alright. What do you think of this
What do
tomb?
you think of this tomb?
What are you getting at?
It's amazing. The amount of detail, the size. Well, someone really important must be buried here.
After 5,000 years of recorded history, that could be said about every hole in the ground.
But that's
Yeah, but
only-
this hole's got a lot of paintings.
I don't leave the house for anything less than amazing.
So it's safe to assume this is going to be a major find?
You tell me.
Then who do you think's buried here?
Who do you think is buried here?
No, I do not guess.
Who are you hoping to find here?
Who does everyone want to find? The Lost Queen,
Who's that?
What is that?
Nefertari.
Nefertari.
Why is she lost?
Over 100 years ago,
Wait, they found her tomb 100 years ago?
the most magnificent of its kind. But when they opened the tomb, do you know what they found?
A different mummy.
Different mummy?
They found 2 kneecaps. The queen was nowhere to be found.
Why's that?
2 kneecaps?
Nobody
What the
knows.
hell?
I say she was never.
What does that
to
mean?
begin with.
Do you have proof?
No. The people who had proof.
2
have been
kneecaps.
dead
That's just
100
like mean
times
cheeks, like
longer than
nothing?
They were ever alive. So they're not talking. We have to learn to think like they did. But it's not easy. Anyone who says different lies or is stupid.
Do you know Dylan?
Do you know Dylan?
I know of him.
You do? So he has a reputation?
Well,
He
I have a
already
reputation
fought
as well.
for a
mhm.
guide, for whatever that is worth. I do not like guides. They distort history and turn the other way.
I mean,
Sticky-fingered
it's not
tools
just
steal
guides who
every
distort
piece of
history, you
Egypt
know?
they can find.
It's like everything to do with, like,
That seems a little harsh.
England
Not harsh enough.
or something.
Every tourist thinks, what will it hurt? I'll just take one small piece of the pyramids. And they come, by the millions they come.
And bit by bit, they
bit,
smuggle our history back in their
our
luggage.
history back in their luggage. They're worse than the museums.
Okay, this guy's base as fuck. Bro predicted my museum comment? Okay. Do you think the international teams have stolen artifacts from Egypt?
Do you think international teams have stolen artifacts from Egypt?
No, I do not think. I know.
You don't seem very happy.
I do have a
with Dylan
jade
here.
cat in my inventory as
I'm
well
glad
for
you
the
noticed.
amulet.
If this were my site, like it should be, he'd be out on the sand with his hat in his hand, trying to catch a ride back to Cairo. And he would never find one, because there is no street.
Holy fuck. Honestly, I so agree, okay? I so agree.
Translate the
Dylan doesn't deserve to be
hieroglyphs.
here.
Beginner's luck.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, so we are the Four of Horus. I'm the air that sweeps up the Nile. Amun, okay. I'm the hunter who faces to greet. Hunter that faces to greet. The hunter that faces to greet. So far away, so far. That'd be Bastet? Probably Bastet. I am Inseti, protector of the South. Imseti? The South? What does the South mean? I am the cry that source the setting sun together, be the gods. Hunter faces to greet the new day. The hunter who faces to create the new day. Faces to create the new day. It's gotta be like nighttime or like the moon or some shit. Maybe. Would that be Ra? Hawkhead. I mean, Hawk could be a hunter. Imseti, protector of the South, and the cry that soars towards the setting sun together. The cry that goes towards the setting sun. Nut. Capri, maybe? Nut. Don't care what you need.
The flashlight isn't working. I better find something else to light the way. A lamp! Great! I just need to find a way to get it working.
How do I get a lamp working? Well, a lamp has oil in it, so I put a
I need
lighter
to
in.
find oil for the lamp.
Oh. Oh yeah, lamps don't naturally have oil in them. But where would I find oil? Yo, do you have oil?
Yes.
I'll let you
I'll
go.
let you go.
Goodbye.
Yo, you got oil in here?
Hi, Nancy.
Yo, what do you think about
do you
Dylan?
think about Dylan?
Did we accidentally invite the whole world to this dig? With the exception of a decent work crew, that is. Although I do hate that I don't know why.
It feels weird that there's just like random people here.
Easy on the eyes.
Agreed.
But if he stays out in the sun any longer, he's going to get all lobstery. Definite turnoff for us land dwellers. Bye-bye.
I'm such a cool land dweller. Look at me. I dwell in the land. Bess, please. Bess, please. We found the tomb.
Found the tomb.
Way to go!
But when I opened it, two strangers showed up.
Really? Aren't you in the middle of nowhere?
Yeah, they're out for a walk in the
Yes.
desert, bro. Don't worry. They're just cool like that. They were out here.
In the desert. Nope. Doesn't work out. Nancy, what the craziness is happening out there?
No clue. It's like I'm the only one here who doesn't know what's really going on. I don't like that feeling.
You get used to it.
Bess.
Well, it certainly feels that way. Maybe it's
I'm gonna
because
get
it's
used to it.
I can't until John's back. I just need to keep my head on straight and try to keep the site in order.
That's exactly like this one part of
Revenge of the Desert Queen?
So,
Is this like a mummy reference or something?
Is this going to be an anecdote where someone dies in a cursed tomb?
no,
Okay, continue.
I lied. It was. But I'll just keep it to myself.
Okay. You keep it to yourself,
I don't
Bess.
know
Have
what to
fun.
make of this tour guide who appeared out of nowhere.
Is he cute?
Define cute.
Why is
I'm
this never
just
in
fun with
focus?
you. I have no girly friends. Yeah, Nancy, you're
Yes,
too
he's
unbased,
moderately
alright?
Cute, and he has an accent.
Now we're talking. Anyway, you've decided that this cute tour guide was an actor.
British accent's so ick, oh my god.
Reason?
Or at least people who
This
like
story
British
isn't
accent.
adding up.
British accent's
If
kind of
he's a
cool.
Tour guide, why would he show up at a site that might take years to open up to the public?
Maybe he's some sort of avant-garde tour guide. You know, way ahead of his time, like that jazz musician you made us see who only played awful notes.
I'm still sorry
Okay.
about that. In my defense, it was for a case.
I love jazz.
There's nothing.
Accents are
Long
heat
distance burn, jazz guy.
or are neat. Okay, sorry. I thought you said heat and I was like, heat, okay. Hey, Professor Hotchkiss. I'm calling you to call about your car's extended warranty. Lily seems to be taking this curse business very
Eric
seriously.
seems to be taking this curse business very
Alex?
seriously.
Thank you so much for the resub. 8 months is actually insane. Poppy's neat too. Alex is neat. More neat, honestly.
That's a little silly of her, don't you?
Neat like that.
Curses may only be a figment of our overactive imaginations.
That's what I think.
There are more pressing things to worry about. Most Egyptologists die because the desert is inhospitable.
Egyptologists
positively
die?
crowded with
Most of them?
diseases, horrid
Oh, okay.
molds, and bacteria
I think
that
Volpe's
have
more
breathed
neat than me.
thousands of years unchecked. And let's not forget the lack of structural integrity of most of the tombs.
That's less than reassuring.
What makes me neat?
Oh dear, everybody
What
dies.
about me as neat?
Life isn't worth living if you don't take a few
Sorry, I need to like
Although
stroke the
let's be
ego or
honest,
something.
everyone dies much
You know what I
faster in the
mean?
desert.
Mm-hmm.
Much faster.
I need your help. The hieroglyphs don't make any
I need your
sense.
help. The hieroglyphs here don't make sense.
Then you are in for a treat. I like my puzzles as tempting as as the
Gosh, here are
Del
DMs.
Rios in Little Brazil, and as complex as the ginger lime sauce they lovingly
I have a
smuggle.
bit of an ego, you know. So like either way you want, but like, you know.
Make sense. Look for a
Ooh,
particle
woo.
pattern that has no
Quit
earthly
fighting and kiss already. We already have the experiment prepared, okay? We just need to like make sure we do a write up, all right? Talk about the source of error and such, you know.
Nancy, hello.
A tour guide just appeared out of
A
nowhere.
tour guide just appeared out of nowhere.
Really?
Yeah, really. He showed up when we found the tomb.
You're 100 kilometers outside of Cairo. That's too far afield to have a wacky next-door neighbor.
That's what I thought, said
Sorry.
John.
I'm not used to watching this much television.
Building tensions so the results are more effective. Yeah, exactly.
Whatever he says, he didn't just drop in. He must be up to something.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, John Boyle. Yo, what are you up to? What brought you to this site?
To this site?
This might be the next it spot. If it is, I want to have the first tour up and running.
Isn't that a little premature? Tour groups might not even be allowed out here.
Well, then I took.
You saw that? That's reserved. Please, thank you. You seem very casual about everything.
You seem very casual about everything.
Guys,
there's nothing wrong with that, is there?
I've been up for a long time. I need to go to
think
sleep.
You might be hiding something.
I should have streamed. I really shouldn't have streamed. I really shouldn't have streamed.
I know you didn't just come here to get a tan.
What do you think of Lily?
She's definitely my type.
What do you mean?
She's definitely my type.
Interesting and not interested. Just like my last girlfriend. Very
Just like my last girlfriend.
She probably has a cramped apartment full of
Yeah.
dehydrated plants. She's probably going to come off a little rough-edged.
I hate you so much. Bye.
Hurry back now.
Hurry back now. Lamp oil. Oh, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. Just cool like that. Pop this lamp oil here.
I wonder if I could find a way to light the entire room.
Ba 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 bum ba bum ba bum ba bum.
Let there be lamp.
Let there be lamp.
I bet I could translate that.
I bet I could translate that.
That's not good.
Everyone's been in this place.
To know what the rest says.
They are wretches. There is no remedy for them because I know their names. Beware, this is the taste of death. Darkness shall conceal them. Says Gilji, Alkajidinikan, Gaio, Jwo, Knatal, Aidenluk, Taljida, Kanit, Sidahifo, Ath. No. I Hi. Hi, I'm Wolfie. Nice to meet you. That's so true, Annie. That's so true. In the end, in Thai, it's Nda. I feel like one of these has got to be end or something, you know? Oh, these are the same word. This could be the. What ends in E? It's 3 letters. When was the last time you slept?
That's not good.
I didn't realize that button did that. No! No, please. I want to do it myself. As for the one who broke the seal, agonies of death await you. Good job, Nancy. I'm so proud of you for breaking the seal.
It looks like something is missing. It looks like something is missing.
It looks like something is missing. I'm a grave robber. Look at me. Nancy Drew the grave robber.
Okay, way too heavy. If I could make some sort of lever, I bet I could use that hole and open the coffin.
A lever?
What was that? It sounds like it came from the entrance.
That's a lot of noise, Nancy. You're trying like way too hard here. What happened here?
Yes?
Do you believe in the curse?
Do you believe in the curse?
I think something's missing. Oh, what's missing, Alex?
Really? Then aren't you worried about being here?
No, no, no. I am
Oh
Abdullah
gosh,
Bakur.
I'm...
Curses have no power over me.
What makes you so sure of that?
I'm still alive. Many men cannot say the same
Ugh.
thing. The true power of a curse, it lives here.
What do you mean by that?
I'm not gonna say that.
The curse of Antifi Ward.
A lever?
Any man who enters my tomb, I lost the fear of myself.
Yeah?
I went into that tomb.
And
yeah, what happened?
Antifi. A curse, when it has you, is like a strange sickness,
A fever.
and it never goes away.
But I thought you didn't believe in curses.
No, I said curses have no effect on me. I am strong. Everyone else is a different story.
Everyone else is weak.
And see what I mean.
That was a close call with the scaffolding.
I've seen worse.
I gotta go, guys.
Years ago, we were in a tomb. A miner
I gotta go.
died, much like your boy Dylan, kicked over a support beam and crash. It all came down. 7 of us, trapped under stones, big as automobiles.
Wait, Dylan did that?
5 of us were eventually pulled out.
What happened to the
Oh,
other
see,
two?
Snow, that's crazy. I gotta go. I gotta
Do you
go.
think this has anything to do with the curse?
I gotta go.
Does it matter?
I better get
I
going.
better get going.
Bye. Yes?
I better get going. Oh wait, I got a lever. Oh, perfect timing. Oh, I saw someone.
This won't do it alone. This won't do it alone. This won't do it alone. This won't do it alone.
This won't do it alone.
This won't do it alone.
Rumbling, it's time in rumbling, rumbling. Oh, there we go. Volk might be ovulated or something. Yeah, maybe I am.
Figure out what these symbols mean before I do anything.
Yeah, maybe I
need to
am.
figure out what these symbols mean before I do anything.
All right, they? What are other common letters? Like this could be A. This could be in or at. This would be in. A lot of double letters for this one, so this could be N. This could be B. No. This isn't beginning. A night. Whoa, whoa. You're in? In the lettering? Loin? Twain? The A, that base, holy, that thing thick? Whoa, that's so true. Liswine? Coin? It? At, in? I'll be a fan of art style. I'm not like that sometimes, most of the time, actually. Wait. What are words? What are words?
I need to figure out what this means.
The procession of gods begin. Okay, I wouldn't have gone procession. I did get the SS though. Begins the reveal, seek them out under the protection of the heavens. To be fair, that first one
It won't budge. Must be locked. I need to get the correct gods to their proper location.
message would have been funny. The procession of gods begins the reveal. Seek them out under the protection of the heavens. You gonna go far, kid. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm too tired for that. The puzzle makes fun noises. It makes such fun noises. Little clink clink clink. Oh my god, I need to rate someone. I'm not okay. 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 Let's rate like let's rate oh god, let me sleep well for the interview. Thank you so much, Sabine. I need to like sleep. I need to go to Staples in the early morning to print something as well. Fuck. Great Kaji. That's it. That's good. I'm like, you know what I mean? So dance, fucker, dance. Good night and good luck. Thank you. Good night. For now, y'all, I hope you guys have an amazing time with Kaji. I will be seeing y'all again sometime soon. It'll probably be tomorrow night. I'm just so tired. Y'all stay safe and enjoy yourselves. Thank y'all so much for coming by, and I hate Ajax so much for everything they did today. Thank you. And thank you, Alex. And thank you, Chicken. And thank you, Toxic. Thank you, Cal. Thank you, Sabine. Delve slash Ray Kaji. Left. There we go. Raid message there. Use whatever emotes you want, preferably pause, but I'll see you around soon, y'all. There. Thank you. Rest well, everyone. I love you guys.